Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing a clear baseline, get a professional eye exam, and note your acuity. Once done, optimize your environment, bright but non-glare lighting and a steady 20-30 cm reading distance. Start immediate micro work, 5 to 10 minutes of focus drills, switch gaze from a near object to a distant one, practice palming to relax, and do deliberate slow blinking to refresh the tear film. These first actions reduce strain and set the foundation for progressive training. Once you have consistent short sessions, expand into a structured routine, 3 10-15-minute vision workouts spread across the day. Make training varied, pursue progressive focusing, contrast recognition, and controlled eye movements. Slowly increase difficulty by extending viewing distances. At the same time, support recovery with diet. Lutein, zeaxanthin, and omega-3 rich foods help retinal health, and hydration maintains tear quality. Make sure to limit high sugar and long unbroken screen. To finish, lock in progress by measuring weekly with a Snellen chart and noting functional gains like reading distance and comfort. Maintain consistency. Continue daily maintenance drills and the nutrient plan, and only reduce corrective lens dependence under professional guidance to preserve binocular balance. Finally, troubleshoot proactively. If you experience persistent blurring, eye pain, flashes, or sudden changes, stop exercises and see an ophthalmologist immediately. This single safeguard prevents harm and ensures your improvement is safe and real.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.